What's going on, guys? It's Jankie Miata back at it. So we snowballed from just an alternator to alternator and belts. Here's the old belt. Yeah, she's toast. Old alternator. Here's a new one with power steering and AC belt. But we are deleting AC right now because, it's got a snowball. But I'll get back to you guys momentarily. Let me finish popping out AC condenser or compressor, whatever you want to call it. Junk you don't need an avert. So, tip, there's a bolt right there. And then you can see that bolt right at my fingertip. Then you have one bolt right there. And then two underneath. Let me see if I can get under there. Right there. And then one directly behind it. You see that open hole right there? But let me wreck this out. I'll show you guys how to actually run power steering with no AC. Alrighty, so she is out. You just need to pop. Actually, I'm just gonna keep that bracket on there because screw it. I'm not digging in there. Maybe later. Definitely opens up a lot of space. Have somebody drain your AC setup. I'm not saying cut the lines, because that would be bad. But it will drop the car 10 pounds. And again, a lot of extra space for my big, I think it's a DNA rad with Mishimoto fans, some eBay coolant lines. I do need to do the coolant reroute on this car, but I'm not doing that today. Slight maintenance. Forget actually the technical name of this part. Let me see. Yep. It's the coolant temp sensor fan switch. And yeah, redid the alternator and did an AC delete because I don't need AC and a vert, and the compressor was junk. But help anybody else out, it's a 17 and it's just one little plug. So let me set. That's good. Perfect. So what you're going to do before you do anything is double check that this connector matches the connector on your car. Perfect. I'm not going to click it in because I don't need to, but I'm going to set this on the cowl. Use a little 17 breaker loose. And a little tip, don't do this when the car is hot. You'll spray yourself, but let me wipe it off. Whew. Here's the old part. Oh, disgusting. And replace it. This little connector broke off the OE, so shouldn't need nothing. May have to switch to a 17 wrench because I don't have a deep well. No, I do not, but Harbor Freight, dude. I love them. Super, just dirt cheap. You ain't gotta crank this down, you just wanna snug. And if you break it, you just hop on to Miata. I think they're like $10, if that. Pick one up. But I'll give you guys another little. Yep. If you're an idiot like me, you can always get. I can't flip it, but these little oil caps. It's just a little plug. Because my OE didn't have it tightened down. Put it on, or checked the oil one morning. Didn't have it fully tight. And it fell off. And I had to drive home not knowing that it fell off. Go pick one of those up. I'd keep one on hand just in your shop. They're a lifesaver. Here's a little view. And this is just a DNA radiator. Totally worth the money. Just some eBay hoses. But yeah. Thanks for watching.